Okay, good morning, student. We have already learned what do you mean by proposition. Proposition or a statement. Any declarative sentence which is either true or false is called as a propositions. After then, we have learned the logical connection like negation, represented by like this, conjunction like this, disjunction, P or Q, inclusive, exclusive, or conditional statement if and then, and biconditional. Now we will take certain example. For example, the in exam you will may ask a question like this. Represent the following statement in symbolic form. The statement given P is equal to Mohan is rich. Q is the statement Mohan is happy. The statement is Mohan is rich but unhappy. But how will represent like this? P conjunction negation of Q. This is a symbolic representation of a statement. This Mohan is poor but happy. How will represent it? Negation of P and Q. Negation of P, why? Because Mohan is poor, but according to our statement Mohan is rich. That's why this is a negation. But we are using conjunction. Happy statement is Q. In the same way, Mohan is neither rich nor happy. That will be the negation of P or Q, or negation of P conjunction negation of Q. These both are same. We can also represent like this. We can also represent like this. Is a symbolic representation of a given statement. Another statement is Mohan is poor or he is both rich and unhappy. And how will represent negation of P or P and conjunction of negation of Q. This is a logical representation of a given statement. Like this is the one statement. This is a symbolic representation. Statement symbolic representation. Next example. Avantika is tall. P is the statement what? Avantika is tall. Q is the statement Avantika is beautiful. What is the given? The same question. Represent the following statement in symbolic form. The statement is Avantika is tall and beautiful. How will represent? Like this. P and Q. This is symbolic representation. Next, Avantika is tall but not beautiful. Then P conjunction negation of Q. It is false that Avantika is short or beautiful. Read the statement carefully. What is the written? It is false that Avantika is short or beautiful. Then negation of P or Q. Next statement is Avantika is tall or Avantika is short and beautiful. How will represent it? Like this. P disjunction negation of P conjunction Q. This is this. In exam you may ask different question like this, but you can represent it in a symbolic form. For example, if there are three statements, P is the statement I will study discrete structure, Q is the statement I will go to a movie, and R is the statement I am in a good mood. The same question use the represent the statement in symbolic representation. For example, if I am not in good mood, then I will go to a movie, and this is a conditional statement, that is a negation of R implies Q. This is a conditional statement. I will go to a movie only if I will not study discrete structures. Only if is also a conditional statement represented like this, since it is the first Q statement and then negation of P. Now you are able to represent any statement in symbolic form by using the logical connectivity. Like negation, conjunction, disjunction. This. Thank you.